Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday. Happy Friday, the 20th of December. This is our weekly recap. So to each and every one of you, if you're trading next week, you're not trading next week, I wish you the happiest of holidays, whether it's Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever it is going to be. You have New Year's coming up. I wish you all the best, happy and healthy and wealthy next year. Let's talk about this week. Let's talk about what's happened here. And we've had a different change here in the markets. So on Wednesday, the Fed came out. They did their 0.25 rate cut as expected, but their dot plot and their inflation forecast was much worse than people expected. So we had this very huge drop. Yesterday we had an inside day. We had PCE today, and we were down and we rallied off PCE because PCE was better than expected. This is one of the Fed favorites. We rallied all the way up to the 8 day, basically, where we came off on the SPY. We have about 20 minutes to go. And here we are kind of hanging out. This is a big candle. Notable, this was the biggest candle of the year on Wednesday. We have another big candle back up here today on Friday. Volume, which had been anemic, is, look at the volume here on this market around 35, 33 million shares per day. You know, 186, 174, and today we're already at 65. We'll bypass yesterday. To me, what I'm seeing here says the Santa Claus rally is on. Why? Well, let's go. Right here. Very simple. The VIX. The VIX massacre. You want to look at anything else out there, you look at the VIX and you say, yep, it got destroyed. We were out of the Bollinger Bands for the last 2 days. We're not going to only close inside of them today unless we have a wild close, and we do have the rebalance. But look how far inside of them we are. The VIX is saying it's game on. Bonds off the lows, not doing much. The dollar also down, which is good. The Qs, nice move back up as well. Couldn't hold, but actually broke above the 8 day. The Dow, big green day as well. Didn't get to the 8 day. The IWM, nothing. Guys, if you're not with us, you're not in our trading room, you missed the call outs. We talked about this yesterday, last night, and we talked about this morning. The names to trade today. And it was very simple. If the market rallies, we said today, watch for names like Amazon. Beautiful move there off the 21 day. Apple, so much relative strength yesterday, just shy of all-time highs. Tesla, I've been in and out of Tesla all day. I did take a nice loss on puts today, made more than that back on calls. I'm long it and swinging into next week with that. Nice move here up on Tesla. Google, also a nice move, right? Strength. Why these names? Because these are the leaders. Everybody wants to say they own them. Everybody wants to say they're in them. These are the market leaders. The XLF, nice bounce back. Energy, don't care, but up. You know, MSTR joins the NASDAQ after the close tonight, up nicely off the 50 day. PLTR, Palantir also joining it almost back at the all-time high. So, in my opinion, as I sit here today with 18 minutes to go on Friday, the Santa Claus rally is on. Market's going to try to rally into this. Yep. Is the government going to shut down? Maybe. Who knows? They'll probably figure something out. But right now, we're on the verge of that, and the market just doesn't care, and that's all that matters. So, with that said, no charts for the rest of the year. Members, we're doing our 2025 outlook and outperform names on next Saturday at noon. If you want to be part of that, you need to sign up. I'll put a link in the description. And I'll put up a week ahead video on Sunday. Wishing you all the best. Happy holidays to everybody, and catch you guys in the room bright and early on Monday morning.